Transform your home with the right lighting, a DIY guide. Are you tired of the dull and uninviting atmosphere in your home? It's time to give your living space a much-needed makeover with the right lighting. In this DIY guide, we'll show you how to transform your home with just a few simple lighting tricks. First things first, let's talk about the different types of lighting. Ambient lighting, also known as general lighting, provides an overall illumination to a room. Task lighting is more focused and is used for specific activities such as reading or cooking. Accent lighting, on the other hand, highlights certain features or objects in a room. Now that you know the different types of lighting, it's important to consider the color temperature of your light bulbs. Warm white 2700K3000K creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while cool white 4000K5000K is more energizing and suited for task-oriented areas. Next, let's talk about the placement of your lights. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 3 sources of light in a room, with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Place your ambient lighting overhead, task lighting at work surfaces, and accent lighting to highlight artwork or architectural features. But how do you achieve all of this without breaking the bank? One simple solution is to switch out your light bulbs for energy-efficient LED bulbs. Not only do they last longer, but they also use less energy and save you money on your electric bill. In summary, by understanding the different types of lighting, choosing the right color temperature, and strategically placing your lights, you can transform your home into a warm and inviting space. So, grab your tools and get ready to DIY your way to a brighter home.